You know what I like about this mic? Yep, no cable. It's a fully wireless condenser mic, and the audio you are hearing right now is from this mic. So this is the Comica eJoy Uni Pro. It comes with the gain dial so you can control your volume easily. There's also a tap the mute buttons key on the top, and on the left is the noise key. Green means on, blue means off. On the right is RGB light effect key. This mic also includes a Type-C dongle, so just plug into your phone or iPad. Super easy, and honestly, you can bring this mic everywhere. Just plug and play. So